Is the world record banana eating with a pantyhose over your head contest, and Alex is cheating already. Okay, so ready? 1, 2, ready, go.
Can I bite through this?
Oh, we have a. Who's Zoe's doing a great job. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. Oh, look at Vaughn. That's oh no. This is really gross. Oh.
This kid is working like nothing.
We have really, this is not good. This could really end badly. But we have fabulous prizes. We have We have somebody who's getting close to the end.
I haven't determined who's gonna win. Oh no!
Vaughn, do we have a winner? He has to get it into his mouth. He's sucking it, mushing it in his. Look at that. This is really bad. Look at Vaughn. I think is in the lead.
Alex is puking.
Oh no, Maverick, how are you doing there? You gonna keep it?
Use your hands.
Oh, we have a winner! Look at this! We have a winner! Oh, that's awesome! Everybody, give it up, baby! Woohoo! Fabulous winners, Eric. Prizes are next.